Hello everyone. Welcome back to another video on Remedy Panda. Today we will talk about apple cider vinegar. I think many of you might be having it daily, but if you don't, watch this video till the end and find out the benefits of apple cider vinegar. Also we will discuss the possible strategies that help you reap maximum benefits from it. But before that, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon to never miss an update from us. With that being said, let's get started. Apple cider vinegar is considered to be a home remedy for many problems and has been used for centuries in medicine and cooking. Apple cider vinegar has various health properties, including antioxidant properties, aiding digestion and killing harmful bacteria, and the list goes on. Apple cider vinegar is made by a two-step process. In the first stage, the apples are crushed and are exposed to yeast, which ferments the sugars in them and turns into alcohols. In the second stage, bacteria is added to it to further ferment the alcohol, turning it into acetic acid, which is the main active component and also responsible for strong sour smell and flavor of vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is claimed to cure many health problems, but there isn't much research to back many of them. Let's look at the possible health benefits of it. 1. Helps digestion. Apple cider vinegar aids digestion by activating the enzymes in the stomach and speeding the process of digestion. 2. Kills pathogens. Vinegar helps in killing pathogens, including bacteria. It has been used for several centuries for cleaning and disinfection. It can also be used as a natural food preservative. 3. Helps lower blood sugar levels. The most potent use of apple cider vinegar is that it lowers blood sugar levels. It is very useful for people with type 2 diabetes. However, people without diabetes can also benefit from keeping their blood sugar levels in the normal range. A small study conducted shows that insulin improved the insulin sensitivity by 19 to 34% during a high-carb meal and significantly lowered blood sugar and insulin response. 4. Helps in weight loss. It also helps people in losing weight. Studies showed that it increases the feeling of fullness. This can lead you to eat fewer calories and lose weight. According to one study, taking vinegar along with a high-carb meal led to increased feelings of fullness, causing participants to eat 200 to 275 fewer calories throughout the rest of the day. 5. Helps improve skin health. Apple cider vinegar is a common remedy for skin conditions like dry skin and eczema. Some people use diluted apple cider vinegar in a face wash or toner. The idea is that it can kill bacteria and prevent spots. Apart from these, there are other claims too. Some of these claims include boosting energy and treating diseases, but there is a little research available in support of these. Aware of benefits. Let's look at the possible ways to incorporate it into your diet. Apple cider vinegar can be added to your salad as salad dressing or can be used in cooking. Generally, many people consume it early in the morning by adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of it to water. It is also advised to have it in small doses and avoid having large amounts. But always remember that everything comes with both benefits and side effects, and apple cider vinegar is no exception from this. Because of the acidic nature, it can cause tooth enamel erosion, which can be reduced by drinking plenty of water after having it. Also, if you are having it by mixing it in water, don't gulp everything at a time, because it might cause some burning sensation in the stomach. It is always advised to have it slowly. Apart from these minor side effects, apple cider vinegar is one of those ingredients you never want to miss out. If you are thinking of having apple cider vinegar, make sure you buy one which has mother in it. Mother is a substance which consists of strands of proteins, enzymes, and friendly bacteria that give the product a murky appearance. Some people believe that the mother is responsible for most of its health benefits, but there are no studies to back this. So, check the link in the description for some good quality organic apple cider vinegar. There is a saying that there is no better time than present to start a good thing. So, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and check the links in the description and start adding apple cider vinegar in your diet. If you find our video helpful, please like and share the video. If you are interested in more videos like this, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update from us.